Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Khiyoke to Dzukou. In the first episode, we have seen this beautiful place draped in a white blanket of snows, which happens casually for once or twice in a year. The second episode of Khiyoke to Dzukou is all about how Dzukou Valley actually is in winter. Visiting Dzukou Valley in winter is one of the most beautiful experiences in my life. When we talk about Dzukou, we often talk about the endless stretches of greens suiting the soul. But hey dear, Dzukou Valley offers a lot more than we think, especially in winter. Everyone feels some magic in the air because of frost, crystal nights, snow, and just this amazing atmosphere. The hissing bamboo grasses swaying in the wind, the frozen views of the valley where the green bamboo grasses are fully covered with white sheets of frost all around, the glittering snowflakes on the grasses, the frost on the leaflets slowly melting into tiny droplets, glimmering like a diamond. The glistening icicles hanging off the rocks are very satisfying to watch. The natural flower prints on the crystalline ice layer, the aquatic creatures enjoying their life in the crystal clear water. The river streams with frozen crystalline ice layer over it and water flowing underneath. To add more, on some frozen streams it is allowed to walk over it. All this makes Dzukou more picturesque and beautiful in winter. was a fun-filled day. A long time wish fulfilled. We set off on a quick one-day trek to Dzükou Valley in the wee hours of 27th December last year and returned the same day. They say when everything feels like an uphill struggle, just think of the view from the top. Yes, the most challenging is the long stretch of ascents and descents, leading to the valley for about 3 hours. As for most of us, it was our first time to go on a hike. But reaching the destination was just relishing and worth all the hurdles, seeing this beautiful creation of God. Words cannot explain the mysterious aura of Dzükou Valley. It is definitely a piece of heaven on earth.
Video. Trốn tập lên, trốn tập lên. Trốn tập lên. Trốn tập lên.
Tay lao nó tạch cái đau. Tôi tên nói tạm cái đi. Ông ăn tay hả?
Trốn tập lên.
Tôi ăn mì, tôi ăn mì. One bên đài. Chọn như con nó thế gì? Đen sức kia. Ở ski gì? Ôi, nó như thế. Cái 뭐지? 진짜 비트와를. 아, 남비 봐. 남비.
몇 가지 키세요.
앞이지? 라라.
몇 가지 키세요. 몇 가지 키세요. 비해로.
맞아? 앞이 대로 그 앞이 대로
띠마.
오!
어머.
자.
어머 더 비지. 나.
앞이 진짜. 아도 내 보네.
뭐래 아들로.
아도 봐요.
ele botou. Deixa eu ver. Aí eu tá fiz.
Kita. Kau mau pilih, kau pilih bebas. Oh, benar pak. Kau pilih ke? Tuh. Ini melu. Kamu. Melu, bebas sudah betul. Aduh, kau. Kau boleh. Kita boleh. Api mau. Orang tak baik ni.
Pola cho.
Kau sini lepas naik.
Papai lo quito. Aduh, ya. Quito.
Allah khan lo.
Vai, beta. Ni sao meu? Ei, tudo. É para ver lá.
Vale. Pelo boleh. Oh boleh. Allah. Vale. Vai beta. Chà tao. Mau rồi. Ôi mới cuối cùng là lên là bà đấy. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 10.
So guys, that's how we spent our day in Dzükou Valley. And we returned the same day, leaving this place with no regrets. And thank you so much for hanging on with us till the end. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Till then, take care and stay tuned for the next video.
Yo, copy my legs.